In this video I am going to tell you how you can make YouTube short using Filmora. So I have added this video, you can see in Filmora. I hope you know how to add a video in project. So what I need to do, first of all I need to select this and go to this file option, and then you need to go to the project settings option. Just tap on project setting. You can see aspect ratio is showing here 16.9. so just tap on this and click on 9:16 portrait and click on OK, and you can see now the size is decreased. So just again right click here in the project, and you need to now click on crop and zoom, and you can just need to again click on ratio, aspect ratio, and click on 9:16 and just tap on OK. You can see its size is now increased and gray is showing the both of side, and now you can simply export it and it will be uploaded as a short video. So it is a short video now, so you can just export this video and it is in short. So I hope friends now you will be able to create YouTube short using Filmora, and in case you face any problem you can mention it in the comment section. I will make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.